If your USB, memory card, or external hard drive won't open and Windows keeps saying you need to format the disk, and when you try to fix it using the CHKDSK utility command, it shows the type of the file system is RAW. That means Windows can't recognize the drive at all. This usually happens because the file system is corrupted or the partition table is damaged, which is why CHKDSK is unable to repair it. In this video, I'll show you two simple ways to fix this issue. So let's get started. To fix this issue, the first method is to completely clean the drive and create a new partition table. This method will fix the problem, but keep in mind it will erase all the data on the drive. So if you don't have any important data on your USB or memory card, you can follow this first method. However, if you have important data and don't want to format the drive, you can skip this part and move on to the second method. In the second method, I'll show you a tool that can help recover the partition table along with your data. So let's start with the first method. Open Command Prompt as an administrator. Type Diskpart and press Enter. This will open the Advanced Disk Management command line utility. Now type list disk and press Enter. This will show you all the storage drives connected to your system. In my case, there are 2 drives listed, and the second one is my USB drive. You can identify your drive by checking the storage size. I'm using a 64GB USB drive, which shows around 58 GB here. Next, type select disk, followed by the disk number of your USB drive, then press Enter. After that, type clean and press Enter. This command will remove the corrupted partition or volume information from the drive. Now we'll create a new partition. Type create partition primary and press Enter. Once the partition is created, type list partition and press Enter to confirm it's there. Finally, select the partition and format it using the format command. This will make the drive usable again. After cleaning the drive and creating a new partition, your USB drive should now appear in File Explorer and the raw drive issue will be resolved. Now let's move on to the second method. If you don't want to format the drive or delete the existing partition because you have important data on it, then this method is for you. In this step, we'll use a tool called AOMEI Partition Assistant to recover the deleted or corrupted partition. When you open the tool, you'll see an interface like this, showing all the drives connected to your computer. Go to the Recover tab and select the Partition Recovery option. This will open the Partition Recovery wizard. From here, select your USB drive or memory card and click Next. Make sure the first option, Fast Search, is selected, then click Next again. Now choose the partition you want to recover and click the Proceed button. The tool will scan the disk sectors and try to recover the partition along with your data. Once the process is complete, you should see a message saying the partition has been recovered successfully. This means your data has been restored and the USB issue has been fixed. And that's it for this video. If this video helped you fix the issue, then don't forget to like the video and I'll see you in the next one.